In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook to WordPress without using a plugin. If you're looking to integrate Facebook content directly into your WordPress site seamlessly and without relying on extra plugins, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you can have Facebook content appear beautifully on your site. First things first, you'll want to open your Facebook page. Make sure that you're logged in and have the necessary permissions to access the content you want to showcase on WordPress. Now, navigate to the post you intend to embed on your WordPress site. Once you're there, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the post, click on them, and a menu will drop down. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Embed. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear, showing you the HTML code you need. This HTML code is the key to embedding your Facebook post into WordPress without any plugins. You'll want to click on the Copy Code button to ensure you've captured the entire code snippet accurately. This code is essentially a widget that will allow you to display your post on WordPress. Now, let's head over to your WordPress site. Log into your dashboard, and choose the page or post where you want the Facebook content to appear. For those new to WordPress editing, remember you can add this to either a new post or an existing one. Once you have your page or post open, switch to the HTML or text view. Depending on your WordPress theme and editor, your interface may look a bit different, but generally, you'll find options to switch between visual and text modes for adding content. Make sure you're in text mode. Paste the HTML code you copied from Facebook right where you'd like the post to appear within your content. It might look a bit overwhelming at first because of the code, but don't worry, it's doing all the heavy lifting for you. Don't forget to click the Save Draft or Update button on your WordPress page to ensure that your changes aren't lost. Once saved, you can simply preview the look of your page to see the Facebook post embedded seamlessly. You'll now be able to scroll through and interact with the embedded content directly from your WordPress site, enhancing the user experience for your visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly embed Facebook posts into your WordPress site without the need for additional plugins, saving you time and potential headaches over compatibility issues. We hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.